I'm going to be installing a new microwave, an over-the-range microwave. Here's the old one, which is a $60 Walmart buy about 5 years ago. Of course, as you can see, the paint at the bottom is coming up and it's rusting. So, yeah. You get what you pay for on that one. Like I said, it was 5 years ago and it was bought at Walmart for 60 bucks. Brand new. Yeah, I got my money's worth out of it. Here's the new one. And it's going to be replacing that hood range right there, and the microwave's going to be going right there over the range. As for the old microwave, well, I think I'm probably going to have some destruction videos where I microwave things. But we'll see. Of course, all that's going to be done outside, of course. Because that's going to be pretty dangerous. Alright, so let's get started. Screws and wall anchors, and there's the microwave itself. There it is. Got the range out of the way. Yeah. I got it all cleaned up pretty good. You got the color gray winding on this side, and you got the color white winding on this side. I don't know what that purpose is. Guess they had a reason for that. I got those bolts in. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and install an outlet in there. I got one of these boxes that's got a small stud that sticks out of both sides. That way it grabs the back of the sheetrock just in case if there's no stud in there. I'll have that. Outlet and outlet plate cover. And then now we go just put the plate on, and then that'll be it. Much better. Much better than that wire hanging out. Now I move on to here where I gotta cut this piece and that piece and take this section out and cut this open for the stack boot to go through and attach it up to the exhaust duct. Then drill the holes where I need it right here. Drill a hole there to put the extension cord through, or maybe I could put it through here. I don't know. I gotta see. Actually, I do have room because look, so I can just run a cord over there. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I got the opening cut out for the stack boot to go through. I found out that one of my friends has borrowed my jigsaw and I never got it back from him. So you know how that goes. So what I had to do is I had to use the drill to cut the hole. So yeah, it's not pretty, but the microwave will cover it. But still, no, I really would have liked to have my jigsaw with me. Unfortunately, I don't have it, so I had to make do with what I have. Yeah. Alright. Looking pretty sweet so far. All I gotta do is just connect the exhaust, plug it in, and clean up all this bullshit, and it'll be a done deal. Well, ain't that a bitch? It's off like a mile. I guess I could probably fabricate with some of the scrap tin, try to make something work. I'm not gonna cut all that bullshit out and go in there and cut all that bullshit out. I mean, fuck that. If it's only off by a little bit, I'll try to make something work. Well, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, yeah, I could get a flex hose, but it's a Sunday and it's 11:30 at night, so can't really go to Home Depot to get anything for it. However, if this doesn't work, I could always come back later and tear it down and, you know, put a flex hose in there. But as of now, if it holds up, I'm not really going to worry about it because it doesn't even really look all that bad. I just used a bunch of that flex tape, and I used the two parts of the duct that I cut off. Yeah, I mean, it'll work. I mean, it's sealed up completely. Larry the cable guy would be proud of me. Get her done. Alright, I went ahead and put the breaker back on for this line, so let's plug it in. It's giving me Chinese letters. Oh, there we go. Right. All right. Let's see what it is. 11:28. Make it 11:29. I think it might be change it to 29, I think. I'll adjust it. Alright, just turned 11:30, so we'll go ahead and do this real quick. And there we are. Might be off by a few seconds, but hey, no big deal. Alright, now to clean up all this shit. And I'm gonna test it with a bag of popcorn. Oh, it's made in Malaysia. Alright, not bad, not bad. Well, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Got the microwave installed, halfway cleaning it up. Something happens to my Kirby vacuum cleaner. Listen to this shit. Either the bearings are fucked up or the brushes are screwed up. It just happened just now, right when I was in the middle of vacuuming things up. Ain't that a bitch? Ain't one thing, it's another. Shit. Now to test it. Popcorn. Yeah, it seems like lately I take one step forward and 2 steps back. I don't know what the hell is wrong with my vacuum cleaner, but that's a new one for me. It's working fine, and right in the middle of vacuuming up all that sawdust, it just fucks up right there. I thought maybe something was caught in the blower. No. There's a shitload of sparks coming from behind it, and I smell the smell of burnt brushes. So, yeah. It's got nothing to do with that. It's just something inside that's fucking it up. Popcorn until the countdown, huh? Smells good. Doesn't smell burnt either, which is what I like. I like that. It's not even burnt or nothing. It's just right. I'm still a little pissed off because of what happened to that shit. Oh well, can't win them all, I guess. Especially if you got my luck.